Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel app tutorial. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable PIN online. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First of all, open the Line app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, go ahead, launch the app, then sign in. Now on your screen, on the top right corner, you're gonna see the gear-like icon, which is settings. Tap on it. Now from there, under the category personal info, you're gonna find account and privacy. Select privacy. There, the first option there will be passcode lock. Go ahead and enable that button. Then they're gonna ask you to set passcode. Go ahead, set a passcode, enter your passcode. Then you successfully enable PIN inline. And guys, that's it. That's how you enable PIN inline. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.